Hi guys, my name is Dolly and welcome back to my channel. So I am trying out this polygel nail kit today. So this is the polygel that I'm using. Then we need some rubbing alcohol if you don't have the slip solution. Then we need some bowl to keep the alcohol in. Then we need a brush and a cuticle pusher. We need some dual forms. So let's start by checking which size of dual form fits your nail, and then we'll just using cuticle pusher push back your cuticles. This will widen your nail bed. Then we'll prep your nails by filing and buffing. I'm applying a generous amount of base coat to my nails and then curing it for about a minute. So now take a pea-sized amount of polygel and transfer it to the dual form and begin spreading it out. Till it covers the form from side to side. Now press the foam gently on your nails and push it back. Now we'll cure this in LED lamp for about 2 minutes. Pinch the two sides of dual form and it should pop right off. Then we'll trim our nails to the size that we want and we'll file them in the shape that we want. Now apply a thick layer of top coat and cure it for about a minute in the LED lamp. Now if you want, you can just keep it like that, or not, then go on with any gel nail pen that you have and cure it. That's it guys, this is the final result. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.